Okay, for today's video, I'll show you on how to solve linear equations with 3 equations and 3 variables using elimination method. So, meron tayo ditong given, which is 2x plus 4y plus 6z equals negative 12 as first equation. Then second equation is 2x minus 3y minus 4z equals 15, 3x plus 4y plus 5z equals negative 18, negative 8 rather. So, ang first step natin, pipili tayo ng dalawang equation dito sa given, then we will combine them and eliminate one variable to transform these two equation with 3 variables into one equation with two variable. So, we will mark this as first, second, and third equation. Then, we'll copy 2x. I'll choose equation 1 and equation 2 na i-combine natin. 2x plus 4y plus 6z equals negative 12. 2x minus 3y minus 4z equals 15. So, I'll decide to cancel or eliminate variable x. So, before I combine them, I'll multiply one equation by negative para multiply equation 2 by negative 1. Copy 2x. We will just simply copy our first equation, which is 2x plus 4y plus 6z equals negative 12. Then distribute negative 1 to all terms on our second equation. Negative times or negative 1 times 2x is equal to negative 2x. Negative 1 times negative 3y is equal to positive 3y. Negative 1 times negative 4z is equal to positive 4z equals negative 1 times 15 is equal to negative 15. Then combined like term, positive 2x is minus 2x equals to 0. 4y plus 3y is equal to 7y. 6z plus 4z is equal to 10z. Negative 12 minus 15 is equal to negative 27. So, this result would be our fourth equation. So, gawin natin siyang fourth equation. Then, for our second step, same process na ginawa natin sa ating first step, pipili tayo ulit ng dalawang equation from the given, then combine and eliminate one variable, same variable na eliminate na tinanggal natin or kinancel natin on our first step. So, I'll choose equation 2 and equation 1 and equation 3 rather. So, equation 1, kopyahin lang natin 2x plus 4y plus 6z equals negative 12. 3x plus 4y plus 5 rather 5z equals negative 8. So, kasi x yung tinanggal natin dito sa ating first step, x din yung tatanggalin natin. So, para matanggal natin, dapat magkaparehas yung numerical coefficient pero magkaiba yung kanilang sign. So, para magkaroon tayo ng parehas na coefficient pero magkaiba na sign, we will multiply equation 1 by negative 3, then equation 3 rather, by 2. So, negative, we'll just simply distribute negative 3 to our first equation, to all terms on our first equation. Negative 3 times 2x is equal to 6x. Negative 3 times 4y is equal to negative 12y. Tama ba? Okay. Negative 3 plus times positive 6y is equal to negative 18z. Negative 3 times negative 12 is equals to positive 36. 2 times 3x is equal to 6x. 2 times 4y is equal to positive 8y. 2 times positive 6z is equals to positive 10z. 2 times negative 8 is equal to negative 16. Yan. So, combine like terms. Negative 6 plus negative 6x plus 6x is equal to 0. So, cancel natin. Negative 12y plus 8y is equal to negative 4y. Negative 18z plus 10z is equal to negative 8z. Then 36 minus 16 is equal to 20. 20 siya. Then the result would be the fifth equation. So mayroon na tayong fourth and fifth equation. So all in all, mayroon tayong 5 equation. So 3 equation yung given, tapos nakabuo tayo ng dalawang equation, which is fourth and fifth equation natin. Then for our third step, kopyahin muna natin yung ating fourth and fifth equation. 7y plus 10z is equal to negative 27 or yes, 27. Then negative 4y minus 8z is equal to 20. Our third step, we will solve for one variable, then we will decide what variable na tatanggalin natin. So, I'll decide to eliminate y variable. So, oh my god, mali na damang up. O siya naman. Napakal na. Okay. So, for our third step, we will eliminate one variable and I'll decide variable y to eliminate. Then, dahil magkaiba yung kanilang coefficient, numerical coefficient, I'll multiply both equation para magkaroon sila ng parehas na numerical coefficient. So, sa fourth equation natin, we'll multiply it by 4. And on our fifth equation by 7. So, distribute 4 to our fifth equation. 4 times 7y is equals to 28y. 4 times 10z is equal to positive 40z. 4 times negative 27 is equals to 108, negative 108. Then 7 times negative 4y is equals to negative 28y. 7 times negative 8z is equals to 56z, negative 56z. 7 times 20 is equal to 140. Yes. Then combine, cancel natin to. 40z minus 56z is equal to 16 negative 16z. So 108, negative 108 plus 140 is equal to 32. Yes. So divide both side by negative 16. Cancel natin to, leaving us with z. 32 divided by negative 16 is equal to negative 2. So nanmas na natin yung constant value or yung value ng isang variable natin na z. So for our fourth step, we will substitute the value of z to either equation 4 or equation 5. So we could choose freely which equation na gagamitin natin. So since mas maliit yung coefficient ng numerical coefficient in each term na may variable sa ating fifth equation, yun yung gagamitin kong equation. So negative 4y minus 8z is equal to 20. But this equation is equal to negative y, negative 2z is equal to 5. So saan ko to nakuha ito? Simply dinivide ko all terms, each term rather by 4. So pares lang yung value nito. So ito yung gagamitin natin, negative y minus 2z is equal to 5. Bakit itong gagamitin natin? Kasi pag sinubstitute natin yung value ng z, so instead of using this equation, ito yung gagamitin ko kasi nga mas maliit yung mga number na nandyan. But there, as what I have said earlier, parehas lang yung value nila. So isusubstitute natin yung z value natin. So negative y minus 2 times the value of z, which is negative 2, 5, negative y, negative 2 times negative 2 is equal to positive 4. Then our goal is to isolate one variable on the left side on our equation. Then we'll transpose, or we will add both side by the inverse of our constant term on our left side, which is 4. Then it will turn to negative 4. Bring down negative y, cancel natin. Then 5 minus 4 is equal to 1. Then negative y is equal to 1. Divide natin both side by negative 1 para matanggal yung negative sign sa y natin. So cancel natin, leaving us with y is equal to negative 1. So to make sure that this equation and this one are equal, so substitute din natin yung negative 2 dito para masigurado lang natin. So negative 4y minus 8z is equals to 20. Negative 4y minus 8, substitute negative 2, copy 20, negative 4y, negative 8 times negative 2 is equal to positive 16 is equal to 20. Then we will add both side by the inverse of 16, which is negative 16. So bring down lang natin yung negative 4y, cancel natin. 20 minus 16 is equal to 4. Negative 4y is equal to 4. Then we'll divide both side by negative 4. Cancel natin, leaving us with y. Then 4 divided by negative 4 is equal to negative 1. So as you can see, parehas lang yung kinalabasan nila. Y is equal to negative 1. Ganun din dito. So meaning negative 4y minus 8z equals 20 is equal to negative y minus 2z is equal to 5. So, pares lang sila. So, for our 50th step, we will substitute the value of z and value of y to one of the given equation. So, mamimili tayo dito sa tatlong equation na to. Then, we will choose equation number 1. Pihin natin yung equation 1, which is 2x plus 4y plus 6z is equal to negative 12. Substitute the value of y, which is negative 1, plus 6. The value of z is equal to negative 2. Copy negative 12. Then, copy 2x. 4 times negative 1 is equal to negative 4. 6 times negative 12 is equal to negative 12. So, negative 12 siya. 2x. Combine natin yung constant term. Negative minus negative 12 is equal to negative 16. Negative 12. 2x. So, this will turn to negative 16. So, we will add both sides by the inverse of our constant term, which is negative 16, yung constant term natin, then it will turn to positive 16. Kasi yung inverse ng negative 16 is positive 16. So, bring down 2x. This will turn to 0. Negative 12 plus 16 is equal to 4. 2x. We'll divide both sides by 2. Cancel natin yung 2. Leaving us with x. 4 divided by 2 is equal to 2. So, yung value ng ating third variable na x ay equal to 2. So, solution of 3 given equation natin ay x, y, and z is equal to 2, negative 1, and negative 2. So, to check kung tama ba to, we will substitute the value of x, y, and z to one of our original equations. So, pipili ulit tayo. Okay, we will choose the equation 2, which is 2x minus 3y minus 4z is equal to 15. So, substitute the value of x, which is 2, value of y, negative 1, then the value of z is equal to negative 2, equals 15. 2 times 2 is equal to 4, negative 3 times negative 1 is equal to positive 3, negative 4 times negative 2 is equal to positive 8, 15. 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. 7 plus 8 is equal to 15. So, kupihin lang natin. Since equal na sila, meaning to say that 2, negative 1, and negative 2 is the solution set of our given equation.